In this video, I will show with you step by step how to log in Bisan Bank of Korea. So friends, if you're interested, let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Bisan Bank, log in. After that, click the first result. You will see this page, login page. From here, you have different option here. Go to login and then choose personal banking. When you choose this option, you should be download this app, this login app, and just wait to see what happened. You have login financial certifications. So friends, this is PC security models. You should be download the security models, and then you can log in with a certification. As you can see here, just go back here, click on this option, log in with a certification, click confirmations, and then choose log in with your certifications. So guys, just download these integrations and then you can log in with your ID and password. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this